The Staroner Mini Jeep is being advertised at prices that almost seem too good to be true on Staroner.com, and that alone makes people curious but also cautious. On the surface, it looks like an amazing deal. Stylish photos, flashy features, and promises of off-road fun at a fraction of the cost you'd expect. But when you dig a little deeper, things start to look suspicious. The website was only recently created, which means it hasn't had time to build any real reputation or trust. There's no clear company information or verified business address, and the contact details are vague, making it difficult to trace who's actually behind the site. On top of that, the site doesn't have proper security badges or well-known payment protection systems that legit e-commerce platforms usually provide. Another strange thing is the complete lack of real user reviews or customer feedback across trusted review platforms, just polished marketing content that could easily be copied or AI generated. And when you compare it with other mini Jeeps on the market, the pricing just doesn't add up. It's way too low to make sense for the specs being offered. That doesn't mean it's 100% a scam, but the combination of unrealistic pricing, lack of transparency, and no social proof makes it risky. So while we can't call it a total fraud, it's definitely not something you should rush into without doing your own careful research.